Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, you check your phone, look outside your window, everything seems normal, but then you notice the sun isn't moving, birds have disappeared, the winds begin to lower louder than a jet engine, and within minutes, entire cities are wiped off the map. What if the Earth suddenly stopped spinning? It sounds impossible, but if it happened, the consequences would be more terrifying than almost any disaster you can imagine. Let's find out. Realizing now, you're spinning without even realizing it. At the equator, the Earth rotates roughly around 1,000 miles per hour. That's about 1,600 kilometers per hour. The only reason you don't feel it is because everything around you is moving exactly at the same speed. But if the Earth suddenly stopped, everything not attached to the ground would keep moving. That includes people, cars, buildings, trees, even oceans. Imagine driving down the highway only to suddenly be launched forward faster than the speed of a commercial airplane. Entire cities would be flattened in seconds as debris traveled at nearly the speed of sound. The destruction wouldn't just happen in one country, it would happen almost everywhere on Earth. The oceans would be even worse. All of Earth's water is spinning with the planet. When the land stops, the water doesn't. Massive walls of water, thousands of feet tall, would race across the continents. These would be normal tsunamis. They would erase entire coastlines. Countries like Japan, the Eastern United States, the United Kingdom, much of Europe would be devastated within hours. Even inland cities could be flooded by water traveling hundreds of miles from the coast, and destruction wouldn't stop there. The atmosphere would still be moving too. This means Earth would suddenly experience winds reaching over 1,000 miles per hour. That's faster than the strongest tornado ever recorded. Buildings would collapse, forests would be ripped out of the ground. Everything left standing after the first impact would likely be destroyed by hurricane force winds unlikely any humans have ever experienced. Breathing outside could become nearly impossible as debris fill the air. For many people, there wouldn't be nowhere to hide. Let's imagine a few people somehow survived. Life still wouldn't return to normal. Without Earth's rotation, a single day would last an entire year. One side of the planet faced the sun for months, reaching temperatures hot enough to bake the ground. The other side would spend months in complete darkness, plugging into freezing temperatures colder than Antarctica. Agriculture would collapse, food would become incredibly scarce. Most animals wouldn't survive, and humans would struggle to adapt to the planet they no longer resembles that they know today. Thankfully, this scenario is almost impossible. There is no force capable of stopping Earth's rotation instantly. But thinking about it reminds us just how perfectly balanced our planet really is. Every second, every sunrise, every calm breeze exists because the Earth never stops spinning. And maybe that's something we don't appreciate in nearly a month. So here's the final question. If you somehow survived the first few minutes, what would you think would be the biggest challenge afterward? Let me know in the comments. And subscribe for more mind-blowing science what-if scenarios.